Hello guys, welcome back. If your Eufy doorbell camera is not working properly, like not connecting, not responding, or having setup issues, a reset can often fix the problem quickly. Smart doorbells rely on stable connections and correct settings, and sometimes small glitches or network changes can cause them to stop functioning as expected. This can make it seem like the device is faulty, even though it just needs a fresh start. Resetting the doorbell clears temporary errors and allows you to set it up again properly. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to reset your Eufy doorbell camera and get it working again. Try these. Step 1. Ensure the doorbell camera is powered on. Step 2. Locate the reset button on the device. Step 3. Press and hold the reset button for several seconds. Step 4. Wait for the voice prompt or indicator light to confirm reset. Step 5. Open the Eufy app and start the setup process again. Step 6. Complete setup and confirm the camera is working properly.